about these that
we'll have one on either side. And then we'll have, yeah, whichever way. I mean, if it's you know this way and then down over here.
Matt's E36. These are Brembo kids.
I mean, you could, but I wouldn't. I think that's what it's for. What do you I know. Oh, the bikes?
Yeah. Oh, brand new weather system. It's brand new.
Right now it's at $1,100. Wait, I mean, that's weeks. I'm my overhead lights, right? These are good, but the green stuff is like What's up, guys? You want a CR. VR is what I have.
Wow, this thing is so clean.
I love them.
Jeez, look at how clean this thing is. Bright eyes.
I didn't replace any of this.
Crazy clean.
This exhaust, you know, this is awesome. What's up, Matt? How you doing, man? I know, it's been a while. My buddy Sean. Yeah, so this thing is freaking great. I know. Eat under here. Yeah, so that's why dry ice is legit. Yeah. I'm gonna do the E46. I'm gonna do the E46 myself. Yeah. In Scott's shop. Okay. Not in my shop. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. This goes up another probably 3 inches. Really? When you put this in motion? 3 months ago. Oh, really? Okay. This is my temporary suspension. I have one CTX coming out. Nice. I thought I'd be driving the car around, but CTX is coming to take it right off and waste the room. Yeah. I'll sell it. This is the Tricky Fine kit. And these are new. The wheels are new. So cheap. Yeah. And you see I got mounting balancer next door. You see that big white thing? Because the weights fell off. I coded them, I tried it. I'm like, let me try and code them, you know. Yeah, the weights. Oh no, actually what it was, that's right, they put the weights on the inside and they would clear the calipers, so then I put I moved them and put new ones on and they all fell off. Yeah. So yeah, never code weights. Yeah. But now I got my own machine where I can just balance it myself.
My God.
Nice. Nice and clean.
Super nice.
The car was repainted, so it's not original. It's a high mileage car.
Gorgeous E30 M3. 1988, if I believe you said.
harnesses can be tricky. Not with this machine, with other machines. But yeah, you get whenever you got that young one.
That street interior, cloth, 5-speed, original, gorgeous.
Yeah. But you know, eventually I'll just get in there. There are places that you can do like this right here. But it's, when you go in there to clean it, any way that you do it, there's going to be friction and abrasion. I got an offer on that. Really? I've seen your videos. I'm convinced. I'm convinced. You know, yeah, I've seen your videos. In certain, you know, in certain scenarios, it's right.
Gorgeous, gorgeous E30. All right, guys. So we are here at Matt's garage. Wow, this lighting.
So the goal of the garage is to have a recess left, so no cut into the concrete right where the tape is, and then just one electrical there. There's going to be power and air, like an OGHQ on all four corners.
So he's going to do the full setup here too.
It's going to be a very dense.
Yeah, it's going to be like a very residential, like, hey, if you live in a residential area, this is what it could potentially house look like.
Gotcha. So this will be kind of the beta of if you own, if you're, you know, if you want to do the full suite in your house, this is the way to do
Well,
it.
that's the thing. It's like a lot of followers don't have a shop. You know, like most people have a normal 2-car garage, and so this is a great opportunity for us to show like what our products can do in a normal residential space, like you're saying.
I got a 3-car garage, but it's not as, just a little bit more compact.
Yeah.
I think there's like a.
Yeah, this is a spacious.
Yeah, this is like a 23 by 30, 35. Yeah.
I think this
It's only
is.
at 24.
Yeah, I think it's 24 by 32. 35.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking when I emerged in my garage,
For sure.
and it's got a bit of height ceiling. Because I like to put a lift in my garage, and this might be perfect. Because if they're too low, you can't. Like mine's like 9 foot, so you can't feel anything.
What
So.
color? Space gray on a black Modelo comp, and I sold it right before the market decided it was going to go berserk. DCT? Yeah, DCT.
Wow.
Yeah, couldn't find a 6-speed.
That is, yeah. I bought mine pre-COVID and
It is a long, so if you want to open it, it's
Oh yeah?
Gorgeous M3.
Oh, those seats.
Very incredible.
Fantastic.
comfortable, supportive.
Yeah.
So these are these are Recaro Sportster chassis, right?
Yeah, prefer,
I've been like trying to find one, but I want one that's wrapped in the same leather that the car comes with to match my.
Oh yeah, I think he did when he bought it, and then he put
yeah.
because he bought that whole thing from IND, because IND doesn't sell the Alcantara boot with a CHP knob. You have to like cut that and then crank inside the CHP knob.
Yeah, with the matching.
Yeah, I remember that. That was a while back when we did that, but man, this thing's.
Yeah, I'm more of an Alcantara guy, so it's really
This
just like
is
so
so
I
much
love Alcantara seats.
Mine's like a 50
Usually with the leather, kind of you do like around.
Wow, these are so
Or
nice.
if you get me like leather.
Look at those seats, fantastic.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's the orange bike.
That is so clean. Look at this. Not one spot.
Like, it's not crunchy when you're unrolling it.
This is custom color.
Yeah, this thing is so cheap. Oh, it's buttery. Huh?
That is buttery.
Yeah, it's wicked.
So I got a question for you, Michelle.
Yeah.
Coming from the big house to the normie house, how has that transition
God
been?
damn.
Is the space?
That's a great question. So,
That is so, my God,
it ends up being all that it
unbelievable.
is. So like I heard about it and
Sure.
I miss the yard, I miss the pool, so we're trying to give them like a perspective on like, what happened in us
Yep.
also losing that other house, but kind of like we're trying to say, hey, this is still a great house, and we're so thankful that we have it. Some people would not have this, like they really like pump up that like we have a golf course here, we can go to the pool, like this is a great house. But I keep hearing it. So that's the part that's a little, I would probably be fine with it, but it's like, I feel, and I think more than anything, the kids, it is about other kids. They miss their neighbors.